How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF on laptop or PC using Google Drive. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser and log in with your account. And now here, once you're logged in, just click on the app icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply click on Drive. And after that, it will directly prompt you to the Google Drive. So here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you are inside the Google Drive, simply click on New and simply select File Upload. And here, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply select the PDF file which you want to update, and here, once you have selected it, simply click on Open. And here, once you're done uploading the file in the Google Drive, just select the file. And here, once you have opened it, at the top, you can see the option labeled as Open with Google Docs. So here, simply click on it. And here, once you have clicked on it, your PDF will now open in Google Docs. And now here, you can edit it like a regular document. And here, when you're finished editing the PDF document, then you can simply click on File at the top left side. And now here from the drop down menu, you can simply click on Download. And here you can download it in a PDF document format. And that's it. That's how you can edit a PDF on laptop or PC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.